So, what's up guys? Hi, good morning. So, since walang pasok ang aking beshi, inaya ko siya mag-gym kami. So, let's go. Sabi ko sa kanya, let's go na bes, tara na, gym na tayo. Para ma-exercise ka, o diba? Tara, let's. So, let's get it on. Pasok muna tayo dito. Siyempre, si madam, papasok na siya. Ito na ang siste. So, kailangan, di ba, pagpapasok sa gym, warm up, para hindi mabigla yung katawan, di ba? O, di ba, yan. Di ba, nag-warm up bago mag-gym? Mahirap na, baka mabigla ulit. O, di ba? So, start na to, besh. Ilang kilo kaya mawawala sa atin dito kapag nag-gym tayo? Tama na siguro yung mga 1 hour lang, di ba? 1 hour is enough. So, tama na yan. Since dalawa lang kami ditong babae. Ayan. Start na siyang record ako, di ba? Ang kulit pa niya, no? Sabi ko, wag niya akong bibidyohan niya, yan. Pero makulit siya. Ayan, sige.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Please just rewind, let me shake
She
it to
love.
the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball, pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me, fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them are the knockoff.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go.
Ito na. Ito ang nakakatawa. Pinagkamalan pang Balenciaga yung sapatos ko, di ba, ni Best? So, yun na nga. Tapos na ang aming gym for today. So, bye guys. Salamat